Welcome to Happy Tunes TV.
Five little monkeys woke up with a cheer. Let's have some fun, the sky is clear. They bounced from bed and ran with glee. Mama said, be safe and listen to me. They jumped on the couch and bounced so high. One did a flip and touched the sky. He slipped and fell, ouch, my head. Now four little monkeys played with paint. They painted the walls with a purple saint. One slipped on color and rolled in blue. Mama shouted, what did you do? Doctor said, time to rest, that's true. Three little monkeys ran to the park. They swung on swings and danced till dark. One spun too fast and tumbled down. His tail got twisted like a crown. Doctor said, wrap it up, no more clown. Two little monkeys played with glue. They made a mess on their brand new shoe. One got stuck on the kitchen floor and pulled the handle off the door. Doctor said, sticky trouble galore. One little monkey jumped in the tub. He made it splash with a giant scrub. He slipped on soap and bumped his knee. Mama ran and oh, monkey me. Doctor said, careful in the sea. All five monkeys went to the zoo. They fed the giraffes and kangaroo. One tried to tickle a big red bear and ran away with messy hair. Doctor said, don't go in there. Five little monkeys danced in the rain. They sang and splashed and felt no pain. One caught a cold and started to sneeze with tissues flying in the breeze. Doctor said, hot soup, please. Four little monkeys climbed a tree. One got stuck and yelled, help me. He dangled down by just one toe. Mama gasped, get down slow. Doctor said, no trees to go. Three little monkeys played with dough. They baked banana pies in a row. One made a pie too big and round. It rolled right off and hit the ground. Doctor said, kitchen's not your playground. Two little monkeys tried to fly. They built cardboard wings and reached the sky. One shouted zoom and zipped ahead, but landed softly on the bed. Doctor said, no more flying instead. One little monkey made a fort with chairs and blankets, his own resort. But the whole thing fell with a great big thud, and Mama stepped in with a mop and suds. Doctor said, nap time, my bud. Now all five monkeys sat real still. No more jumping, spills, or thrill. They read a book and hugged real tight. Mama smiled, that's just right. Doctor said, good monkeys tonight. The sun went down, the stars came out. Five monkey yawns without a shout. They brushed their teeth and went to bed with soft banana dreams in their head. The five little monkeys whispered, good night. Bye-bye, kids. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video.